Hi, so today I'll be making some homemade guacamole. Very easy, simple recipe. I'll be doing two versions, one that's kid friendly and one that's a little bit more spicy, just for myself and for my husband, because we love spicy food, but the kids obviously not so much. So here we go, I'll go and show you. So first off, we'll do the avocados. We'll cut them in halves and we'll get everything out and take the seed out. Twist and peel, and oh, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. There we go. Four very nice ripe avocados. You can see there's an imperfection in it already. It's all right. Take that out. Like some hard sections in the avocados, so just cut them away. You can see already that there's some really hard points in the avocado. Alright, let's scoop all of these out. One and two, all right, last bit. Now I use a potato masher, which is really easy to do. Better than just using a fork to mash everything up. This is just so simple. Quick, easy, and almost done. Almost done. Yeah, pretty nice, smooth consistency. It still has a little bit of the chunks in there. Okay. I will split this in half. Well, not in complete half, but just a bit for the kids, so it's not too spicy for them. Now I'll add a little bit of chives from the garden. Alright, so use a bit in ours, not too much in the kids' ones, a bit more in our one. Alright, so that's about how much I've put in each. Okay, next bit is some garlic. I'll squash it into our one first. So it's 2 garlic cloves. And I'll pop a little bit in theirs, but majority in ours. Which could have been easier if I just did all in one bowl and then added the chili and the tomato separately. But no. made it more difficult. Alright, tomato. Now I've done about half a tomato, or almost half a tomato. Now I won't put tomato in the kids' ones, I'll just put tomato in our one. And squeeze lemon juice. Just a little squeeze in theirs. I'm only using a quarter of a lemon, and the rest of it will go into our one. And kids don't like tomato, so I won't put tomato in. And last bit is some chili. So I'll use one long red chili. I'll split it in half. Now we will keep the seeds in because we like it hot. Alright, nice and chunky. Pop that in our one. Seeds and all. Yummy. Love it. So what I'll do is I'll mix the kids' ones up first. Add a touch of salt. Mix it all the way through. And the kids' one is now done. Now for our one. Alright, now I just mix our one up. Nice and spicy. Chives, tomato, chili, garlic, lemon, and a dash of salt. Looking pretty delicious. Very simple and very simple to make. And now you've got a delicious guacamole for you to enjoy, as well as for your kids as well, so it's not too spicy for them. So good. Just that hint of spice as well. The chili's not too bad. We use a long red chili, so it is still got a bit of spice to it, but it's not super spicy like the small bird's eye chilies. Perfect amount of heat. Alright, I hope you enjoy this recipe. I'll pop it in the description below of what I popped in the recipe, and hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.